2 dolphins right here, right now.
Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on today's video. Today, Eric and I are on Quadra Island doing a little bit of ocean camping. We just got to camp. We're gonna set up. Let's show you how we got here. Made it to where we're gonna camp. We have our own private little island tonight. It's gonna be awesome. I guess the first thing to do tonight is empty out the canoe and set up camp. Well, we don't overly love this island in terms of campsites, so it's time to put everything back in the canoe back in the water, and go find somewhere else to camp. We're just heading up to a little beach spot right up here. Hopefully this is a little better, otherwise I don't know what we're gonna do. Spot number 2 is right behind me there, and it's kind of a bust. It's just way too scrubby to be enjoyable camping. So we're gonna go check out a third spot that we saw on the way in, and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do if that one doesn't look too good, but we'll see you there. Boy, we are just surrounded by so much wildlife right now. There's maybe an otter, maybe a seal up there on the shore. There's a whole bunch of seals swimming around us.
Well, I think we decided that we're just gonna go home. Can't really find a good spot, and we're not really tired enough to just sleep anywhere.
So this trip was only 8K round trip-ish, and we're more than halfway back now. We're only a couple kilometers from the car, so day trip. It is what it is.
Unless we find another spot on the way back. Maybe. Or we'll just go home and go to bed. We can't make up our minds ever. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's 2 dolphins right here, right now.
I'm very glad that we turned around today, because we would have never seen this if we stayed out tonight. This makes it totally worth turning around. I've never been that close to any kind of whale or dolphin or whatever the frick these things are. All I know is they're awesome, and this is so cool.
That was so sweet. They were so close to us. That's such a great way to end the day. And I think we'll end the video here. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.